Buddy. Hope everybody's having a good day this morning. I'm going to hop on here real quick and I'm just going to go through a rundown on how I set my levels and I get ready for the trade week. And so, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on the daily chart, and this is NASDAQ futures. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my levels. And so, for my levels, I use two indicators for levels. The first one I'm going to use are supply and demand levels, and it's going to be DIY custom strategy builder, this indicator here. Default, this is what the indicator looks like. However, I do not use the default settings, so we're going to go into settings and set this up. Once again, it's real quick and easy process. I'm going to deselect everything with the check mark on it, except supply and demand here. And that would be it. And I'm going to hit OK. And so we have a supply and demand here on the daily. And then the second indicator that I'm going to use is Smart Money Concepts by LuxAlgo. And this here is default as well. So next thing I will do on the daily is I will drop down to the 4-hour. And then I would just start from the top to the bottom and I will set my alert. And so on TradingView, in order to set an alert, what I would do is I would go to this zone. And what I like to do is instead of going directly on the zone, and since we are below this zone here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it a little before it gets there. So I'm going to click and it says add alert, and it's going to put the alert there. So it says crossing. So when price comes up and cross through here, I'm going to get a notification sent to my phone, and it's going to let me know that price has currently crossed through this zone here. And then I'll just look at the chart, and then more than likely with this here rejection, I'd be looking to go short here and take price back down to here support. And so I just keep doing that. Since price below, I'm going to put another alert here. With price going up, I could bring this down actually to about here. And then if price breaks below here in the zone, I put an alert there. So really what I'm looking at are areas that have both, that show strong signs of support or resistance. So as you can see here, we have a demand zone with a blue box on it. Here we have a supply zone with a red box indicating resistance. And then here as well. So those are my three main levels that I will be interested in. And that's pretty much it on this video. There really wasn't much to it. And that's how I set up my levels. I just pretty much select those indicators, put my alerts on, and that's it. I'm done. So this was actually requested, this video here. So if you got any more questions, comments, or requests, just let me know, and I'd be glad to help you out. That being said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one.